As long as we can buy at a lower price, we are not afraid of no profits. Am I right? Hi, I'm Lisa. Today I will share with you the way to buy at the lowest point, and then price will rise as soon as you buy. Can you imagine just by using a single MA and a horizontal line, we can catch the bottom in advance and maximize our profit? Let's take a look at the chart. How to buy at the lowest point. According to the traditional trading method of MA, the position where the red arrow appears is the buy point, which means when price breaks through MA, right? But at this time, the price already rests for several days. So, can we have another method to buy at a lower price? Can we buy at the position of this green circle? Let me show you. Firstly, we need to find the lowest point of short-term rebound in the previous downtrend. This point is 0.604. Then we draw a horizontal line according to this price. Then the point where it crosses the MA will be the lowest point of the price, which is also a time turning point. So we can buy on the next day. Normally, it will be the lowest price and also the starting point of the following uptrend wave. If we can buy here, we can make much more compared with the point of breaking through MA, right? Let's make a short summary. When MA crosses the horizontal line based on the previous low point, then the corresponding candle is a time turning point, which helps us to buy at the lowest point, and once buy, the price will rise. One more example. If we buy at this position, according to the traditional method, it has risen for several days, and the profit will be cut a lot. Then, how can we buy at a lower price in advance before the price fly? In the same way, we find the lowest point of the previous rebound in the downtrend, which is 1.25. Draw a horizontal line based on this price, and then find the point where it crosses the MA. We can see that this cross point corresponding candle is the lowest point, and buy on next day, which is the starting point of the latest uptrend wave. Wow, so accurate, isn't it? But what is the parameter for the MA? Take it easy, I will tell you later. Also, this cross point is the so-called time turning point. We can see before this point, it's downtrend. Then after this point, it reverses to uptrend. The current index is also applicable to this method. If we buy according to the traditional method, which means when price breaks out the MA, it's a little bit late, right? So, can we buy earlier at a lower price? Then we need to find the lowest price of the previous rebound. Draw a horizontal line. Then find the cross point of those two lines. Then the corresponding candle is the lowest point of this uptrend wave. This method allows you to buy the lowest point, and once buy, price will fly. So we can maximize our profit. In the same way, we can also find the sell points. Let's take a look. First aside, find a high point. Then draw a horizontal line according to this high point. Then find the cross point corresponding candle, which is the high point of this uptrend wave. Then we can sell. Once sell, the price dropped, right? Well, according to the traditional method, we can only sell after the price breaking down the MA. So our profits will be cut a lot. If we can sell at the high point, then we can maximize our profits, right? There are not only ways to buy at the lowest point, but also the unique scale to sell at the high point. Do you want to learn more and use it in practice later? If it is the case, please subscribe my channel to follow me to learn more trading tactics every day. Okay, today we learned how to buy at the low point, which is the cross point formed by the 20-day 1MA and the horizontal line based on the previous lowest point of the rebound, right? If you like my sharing, you can subscribe my channel and follow me to learn. And also can press a like or leave a message in the comment zone. Your encouragement is my biggest motivation to continue. Thank you so much. See you next time.